Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, it's gonna be not different but just something new. I want to try to use Chinese makeup, like the cheap makeup that you can ever get in the Chinese store. So I was thinking, why not create a look for people that uses those makeup. So I'm gonna go do some shopping, and then when I come back, I'm gonna wash my face and then do a tutorial on full Chinese store makeup. And I hope you guys are going to enjoy it. Hey guys, so I'm back and this is what I got from Vibes. I'm going to put it up close so you guys can see. I got this 3D eyelashes and I got this sponge, which I know it's hard and unfortunately I couldn't get any foundation because they only had number 1, number 2 and number 3. It was the lightest foundation shade ever. Not even our caramel sister can have it. And this is the darkest shade of the blush that I could get. There was other contour palette. It was not like blushy thingy, so I took this blush just to try out. And this setting spray as well, wanted to try. And I got this highlight contour palette. And this eyeshadow palette. I only got one eyeshadow because I didn't wanna, I don't have money, I'm broke. And this is the number 3, it's number 3 concealer. This is the only shade that I could get there. And you guys, I got 4 lip gloss. It's same color. I'm crazy. I was just putting it in my bucket and I didn't check. I didn't pick which one I was going to get, and I ended up buying for everything. So I'm gonna give this one away. And then I got this red lip pencil and a black liner and a brown pencil and another lip. Oh, you guys, this is how far it goes. Oh, there we go. It's a dark. I thought I got another color. Okay, well. Alrighty, and it looks that like it was used already, but because I couldn't get a foundation, I'm going to use my black opal foundation. It's in the shade Carob. It's Carob.
So I'm going to use this foundation sponge that I got for 15 Rand to blend my foundation.
Just a warning, it has a really bad chemical, like petrol smell on this sponge. So
for my brows, I'm going to use this black pencil that I got for 6 Rand.
bad tomorrow. So you guys know I love dark eyebrows. I'm not a fan of eyebrows.
To prime my eyes for my eyeshadow, I'm going to use this concealer in the shade number 3. This was like 10 Rand, I think.
There's like a soap or whatever in the middle. What is it? Okay. So I'm just going to apply it like this.
And I'm gonna use this eyeshadow palette for my eyes. I'm gonna start with the gold one and then the yellow one. So I'm just applying the gold one, and then I'm gonna apply the green one on the outer corner of my eye. Sorry, my battery died, so I couldn't show you guys how I did it together.
So I think applying with my finger is much more better. So I'm just gonna put this green one here. Look on this side where I'm using my finger compared to the other one. So first I applied this gold one and then the green one on the side. And then I'm going to take the yellow. To use this blue one, let me first try how it's going to look on my waterline.
For my wing liner, I'm going to use this eyeliner. It was 5 Rand to line my eyes. It's not so pigmented, so visible, so you must really apply it really hard, but overall it's not so bad. It's usable, so yeah. To conceal my face, I'm going again with the same concealer that I use for my face again.
To make it look like a contour, so I'm going to use this light concealer again here, over here, just down below.
So I'm gonna use this one here for my false lashes, and it was 19. So I'm gonna use this to highlight my face. I'm using the first bottom one to highlight my cheekbones and to get that glowy, nice look. This is the blush that I got. It was 19 Rand. I'm gonna use this to blush under my cheekbones, and I'm using the same brush that I used to highlight my face because I want that glowy finish look, just to make it look like it's coming from within my cheekbones. And then I'm using the same sponge that I use for my foundation to just blend it all out to get that natural look finish. To line my lips, I'm going to use this brown pencil or jumbo pencil. It was 5 Rand. It's really pigmented. This lip gloss was 10 Rand. It's an orangey color. I'm going to use this for my lips. And then I'm going to apply this gloss. It's like a shimmery lip gloss. It was also 10 Rand as well. Just use the same highlighter to highlight my brow bone.
This is the final look. I hope you guys can go. One thing, please don't spray this. This is just like water.
So this is actually a water spray, and this is how it looks like, and it was 15 Rand.
It's not a setting spray. Look, this spray, if you spray it on your makeup, it's going to be like this. It's definitely going to match your makeup. Luckily, I tried it before. I applied it on my face, so this must go to the rubbish. If you want to budget, if you are a 5 store girl, go get your makeup. There's a little bit of chemical, like petrol smell on the makeup, but some people can live without it. You know, if you try to budget and you love makeup and you want to go out and, you know, especially for a night, it's not going to kill anybody. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I want to thank you for just stopping by my channel and watching this tutorial. Please give it a thumbs up if you love it, if you liked it. Subscribe down below, like, share the videos, connect with me on my social medias. I'm going to put the name down and the link down below. And I will see you next time on my next video. Thank you so much. It's your girl Nella. I'm checking out. Peace out.